Hello, welcome to Decoding Destiny with Astronumerology. I am astronumerologist GSP. आज हम बात करेंगे एक रियल लाइफ केस स्टडी के बारे में अबाउट रणवीर सिंह एंड धुरंधर और कैसे हम न्यूमरोलॉजी के थ्रू पहले ही प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते थे अबाउट दैट वन इंसिडेंट दैट कॉज्ड टेम्पररी डैमेज टू हिज करियर. How and why he was overshadowed by actors and also many other factors in the movie. आप सब जानते हैं that Dhurandhar was a massive hit. It collected more than 870 crores at the box office. And while Ranveer Singh was the lead of the film and he performed really well, there were several other factors and actors who overshadowed him. Yes, I know उसके character का काम ही था to stay in the shadows and he played that exceptionally well. But here I'm focusing on just before the release of the film. रणवीर सिंह का एक इंसिडेंट जिसने धुरंधर के ओपनिंग डे के नंबर्स को कम कर दिया. द मूवी लेटर पिक्ड अप विथ वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. एक मूवी के प्रोडक्शन में बहुत लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, राइट फ्रॉम एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स, इवन स्पॉट बॉय एंड लाइट मैन. बट एक मूवी की सक्सेस से सबसे ज़्यादा फायदा किसको होता है? We need to focus on those people. I'm just using Ranveer Singh and Dhurandhar as a case study on how we could have possibly predicted about that one incident that happened right before the release of the movie that reduced the opening numbers of the movie, and possibly it could have all been avoided if only numerology was used as guidance. Although I'm an astronumerologist, I do astrology and numerology. In this video, we are only going to focus on numerology. Let's take a look at Ranveer Singh's birth chart. Ranveer Singh is born on July 6th, 1985. His basic number is 6 and his destiny number is 9. A destiny number is a number that you get once you sum together all the digits of your date of birth. Now there are many different layers of his life that we can decode just from his date of birth. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it very simple, very basic. Now, if you look at Ranveer Singh's chart, he is currently going through the Mahadasha of number 5 एंड अंतरदशा ऑफ नंबर 3. अगेन ये वीडियो मैं बहुत बेसिक लेवल पे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, सो स्टे विथ मी, इट विल मेक सेंस. जब आप रणवीर सिंह के चार्ट में देखोगे, सो दिस ईयर इज फॉर्मिंग अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 955. और जब किसी के भी चार्ट में ये कॉम्बिनेशन आता है 955 का, बिकॉज ऑफ महादशा और अंतरदशा और प्रति अंतरदशा, वो पर्सन कुछ ना कुछ फाइनेंशियल ब्लंडर्स करता ही है. कोई ना कोई बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेवकूफ़ाना काम होगा जिसकी वजह से ही विल लूज मनी और विल मेक बैड फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस. और जब भी आपकी लाइफ में 3 आए, इट मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग. यू कैन ईदर लर्न इट बाय योरसेल्फ by enrolling yourself into a program, into a college, or life will teach you something. With celebrities, it's a little difficult to know what's exactly happening in their life, as most of it is not public facing. Ranveer Singh could have had some financial loss that we are not aware of, but ये सब कुछ highlight हो गया when Ranveer Singh did the Kantara fiasco. और जब वो Kantara fiasco हुआ, Ranveer Singh also had 77 in his chart because of Prati Antardasha. And whenever 77 comes into your life, according to numerology, it comes with a lot of stress. So now you see how many factors were pointing out to that one fiasco. Number 3 will teach you something in life. 955 will make you do stupid stuff. 77 it causes a lot of stress and at the same time ये आपको थोड़ा less spiritual बनाता है. Now if you look at numerology, there was no way we could have known that Ranveer Singh एक public place में जाके ऐसे मौकरी करेगा. But there were signs. There were subtle signs कि कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगी during this time. Now if you look at Aditya Dhar's chart, who is the director of Dhurandhar, he is born on 12th March 1983 and currently he is going through a very good time of his life. Just look at the combination 319 and 88. Now obviously इसमें कुछ problems है, but as of now this combination is really helping him in his career. And I am telling you right now, after the release of Dhurandhar 2, Aditya Dhar will definitely face some problems. Now those problems could be in his personal life or it could be related to his movie. Whereas this time with Dhurandhar 2, Ranveer Singh will knock it out of the park. Now again, I'm not saying that he performed badly in Dhurandhar 1. I just feel Ranveer Singh did not get his due with Dhurandhar. But with Dhurandhar 2, Ranveer Singh will not only perform well, he will milk it too. पार्ट 1 में रणवीर सिंह जितने ही ज़्यादा सटल रहे हैं, पार्ट 2 में वो उतने ही ज़्यादा ओवर द टॉप जाएंगे with his PR. He is going to be super active and he is going to shine like a diamond. And not just Ranveer Singh, even when you look at his wife's chart, there was a time when Deepika Padukone was losing a lot of movies. Kalki, Spirit, and according to numerology, at that point of time, Deepika Padukone had double three in her chart. और जब भी किसी के चार्ट में डबल थ्री आता है वो कुछ ना कुछ करियर में इश्यूज देता है और ये पीरियड दीपिका पादुकोण का 2027 जैन तक चलेगा. सो आई वोंट बी सरप्राइज दैट बिटवीन नाउ एंड जैन 2027 if some of her movies get shelved or even don't perform well at the box office. Or you might even hear some more stories about how challenging it might be to work with her. I'm not saying whether she is actually challenging to work with or not. I'm just saying that Double Three will cause these stories and cause these issues to come up to the surface. On the flip side, having Double Three in her chart makes her excellent in marketing and PR. So, if you read any of the stories online on how difficult she is to work with, there are going to be some counter stories and positive news as well. Deepika is going to be really good with it. Well, that was it for the video. I hope I was able to show you the case study on how numerology actually affects all of our lives on a daily basis and how you can use astrology and numerology to guide your life and make it better. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification wherever there is a new video. Also write down in the comments below which other celebrity or incident you want me to decode using numerology. Thank you for watching.